You can also see these gentlemen's pictures in the slide. Now we will discuss Fibonacci trading. What is Fibonacci trading? Fibonacci is a sequence of numbers found in nature, in ratios, in pictures, everywhere. That is created by God and by nature. If we discuss this in depth, the lecture will become quite long and we have no need for that. So, what do we have to say? We will discuss this. These patterns naturally repeat themselves all over the universe. There are different levels in this, and the golden ratio is 1.61. So whenever the price goes up, by nature, because the humans using it also have these ratios in their bodies, because they are found in humans, the Bahubali section is moved by humans, so it is reflected in the price as well. There are levels in this. We have what? Those we have to keep an eye on, those we have to notice. 0.2 is mentioned, then there is 0.5, 0.618, then 0.786, and last but not least, we have 0.86. Now, how to use these levels is that 0.62 comes first, then 0.5, then 618, then 782, and 786. How are we supposed to use them? Now, we will discuss this further in the chapter. Now, how do we identify them? Because if we have to use these levels, first we need to do what with them? We will have to identify them. Once they are identified, we will be able to use them, because price has a nature. When the price moves, it comes back, retraces, and this will be up to the test level. For that, we have to use Fibonacci. Then we will know how far the price will come in. In strong trade, the price respects the 0.62 level, and in normal trend, the price respects the 0.662 retracement level. So we need to notice this and use it accordingly. Now, how to identify it? Now, from the swing high to the swing low, we will add it, and the Fibonacci levels will automatically be drawn. In a bullish trend from the swing high, from swing low to bearish trend to swing high, we have to draw it from swing high. What is swing high? Higher point low and high on both sides. That is, the wick of the candle will be. It will draw from the highest. On both sides, the candles that are formed will be smaller. After that, the price will have reversed and will swing directly. We have to draw it in the same way, which will be the low candle. There should be rows on both sides of it, and from there, the price will reverse. Now, how do we use it? When we draw the swing high, automatic results will emerge. In that, your level 6 of 2 will come out. So what do you have to do? How do you use Fibonacci when you have drawn Fibonacci in this trend? From swing low to swing high. So what do you have to do? You will buy at all the support levels, and if it is in a downtrend, you will sell at all the Fibonacci resistance levels in a bearish trend. So what is the main reason for Fibonacci? One is that it is found in nature, and the other is its surroundings. Every technical analysis is a self-fulfilling prophet. That is, it completes itself. Why? Because people believe in it. Now, as many people are trading, they know Fibonacci, they believe in it, they are all looking at Fibonacci, so when the price comes to the Fibonacci level, they automatically enter. So this is called self-fulfilling prophet. Now, we can use it not only for entries, but also for collection. We can use it for profit levels. For example, we did a counter trade. There is a bullish trend. We drew the swing high low. Now a bullish trend has come. We have bought in the counter trend. Now the price has come to the 0.5 level. Now we see that the Fibonacci level 0.5 is resisting. So what do we have to do? We need to take profit, because at the Fibonacci level, the price can also reverse here. So it not only gives us entries, but also tells us exits. And at the Fibonacci level, many people have placed a lot of orders. So most of the time, this is also the end of the collection. This came to on 0.5, or the price reached 382, where people placed orders. Today's algorithmic trading is very extensive. So it is automatically fed into it that you have traded the find level. What does it do automatically? The price treats it. So for this reason, these levels are very important for entry trades and for exiting trades. Now we have to use this Fibonacci level with other tools to increase its accuracy. As for the rest, all the technical trading tools we will learn. We don't just need to learn how to use the tools. We need to learn how much the accuracy of this tool can increase. Otherwise, I use simple support and resistance. My accuracy will be a certain percent. And if I add Fibonacci, my accuracy will increase. If I add 65% trade dance, my accuracy will become 60%. When I add the indicator, my accuracy will become 70 to 75%. So we have to combine all these things to develop our own strategy. This is why our accuracy improves. Now we can use it with support and resistance, use fibs with trend lines, use with characteristic patterns. But what we have to keep in mind is not to use 100 levels of Fibonacci or rely directly on anything. Okay? We should not rely on any indicator or any level. We have to combine them. And we can use swing high and swing low for stop loss levels. This is very simple, so I hope you guys enjoy doing it and I wish you the best of luck. So let's move on to indicators. Now we have them. Technical indicators. In technical indicators, what we will discuss will be moving average. Then we will go a little into moving averages and discuss different variations. Then we will move on to Bollinger Bands. We will discuss a little variation in it. We will discuss the same on D. As technical and S, we will discuss all these indicators in this chapter, how to use them and combine them in a strategy.